Hello students, this is a Maths Worksheet 41, chapter number 10, Mensuration. Dear students, in this exercise we discuss about area of rectangle and square. Area. The magnitude of the measurement of a region enclosed by a closed plane figure is called its area. We have defined area of a closed plane as the measurement of the region enclosed by it. If a plane region R is divided into n squares, each of side 1 centimeter, then we say that the area of the region R is n centimeter square. Means, now here the side of this one square is 1 centimeter. Now in this figure ABCD is a rectangle such that the region enclosed by it is covered with 35 squares. The total number of squares are 35. Each square having area 1 centimeter square. So we say that area of rectangle ABCD is 35 centimeter square. Area of rectangle. We know that in a rectangle the larger side is called its length, while the smaller side is called its breadth. So here this longer side A to B is known as length and DC also, and B, this length A to D is known as breadth and BC also. Rectangle having two lengths and two breadths. Area of rectangle equal to length into breadth square units, and it is also known as L into B. A equal to L into B square units. Length equal to area upon breadth units and breadth equal to area upon length units. Area of square. We know that a square is a rectangle whose length and breadth are equal. So square having equal sides. So area of square equal to side into side or side square. Now here I solve some examples related to mensuration. Here we discuss area of rectangle and area of square. So here the formula of area of rectangle equal to length into breadth, and if we find L length, so the formula of L equal to A upon B, area upon breadth, and if we find breadth, so the formula of breadth equal to area upon length. These formulas are related to rectangle. And area of square equal to side into side or side square. Now we will solve some examples related to area of rectangle. Now example number 1, find the area of rectangle. And here length equal to 10 centimeter and breadth equal to 5 centimeter. So first we write formula of area of rectangle. So area of rectangle equal to length into breadth. So here now we put the value of L and B. So here the value of L is 10 centimeter and breadth equal to 5 centimeter, and 10 5s are 50, and we write units in square, so we write centimeter square. So area of rectangle is 50 centimeter square. Now next example, example number B. Length equal to 12 centimeter and breadth equal to 8 centimeter. So here the formula of area of rectangle is A equal to L into B. So here L equal to 12, so we write 12, and breadth equal to 8, and we write unit in square units, centimeter square. So 12 8s are 96 centimeter square. So here the area of rectangle equal to 96 centimeter square. Now the next example, find the area of a square. Example number A, side of a square four centimeter. So here the one side of a square is 4 centimeter, and the formula of area of square equal to side into side. So here the value of side is 4 centimeter, so we write 4 centimeter multiplied by 4 centimeter, and we write unit in square, so 4 4s are 16, and write centimeter square. So the area of square is 16 centimeter square. Here the next example, side of a square equal to 80 centimeter. So here we find the area of a square. Area of a square equal to side multiplied by side. So here we multiply 80 centimeter multiplied by 80 centimeter. So here when we multiply 80 multiplied by 80, we get 6400 centimeter square. If we take side of square 80 centimeter, in the place of centimeter we take meter here, so we get area of square is 6400 meter square. Now the next example, the area of rectangle is 81 meter square and its breadth is 5.4 meter. Find the length of the rectangle. So here the area of rectangle is length into breadth, and here the given value is area equal to 81 meter square. Here we find the length of the rectangle and breadth equal to 5.4 meter. So the formula of length is L equal to A upon B. So here we put the value of A and B. So L equal to 81 upon 5.4. So here we divide 81 by 5.4. So here we move this decimal from here to here, so we multiply by 10. So denominator and numerator also multiply by 10, so we get L equal to 810 upon 54. Here 810 divided by 54 in 15 times. So here we get L equal to 15 meter. So the value of length is 15 meter. The next example, the area of rectangle is 18 centimeter square and its length is 6 centimeter. So here find the breadth of the rectangle. So formula of area of rectangle is length into breadth, and here the given values: area equal to 18 centimeter square, length equal to 6 centimeter, and here we find breadth. So the formula of breadth equal to area upon length. Now we put the value of A and L. So 18 upon 6. So here 18 divided by 6 in 3 times. 6 1 is 6 and 6 3 is 18. So B equal to 3 centimeter. L equal to 6 centimeter and B equal to 3 centimeter. If we put the value of L and B in this formula, so we get 18 area of the rectangle. So the value of B is 3 centimeter. Now the next question, the side of a square is 5 centimeter. Find its area and perimeter. So here the side of square is 5 centimeter, and here we find first area of square. So area of square equal to side into side or side square. So here the value of side is 5 centimeter. So we put the value of side 5 centimeter multiplied by 5 centimeter. 5 5s are 25. So here, and we write this unit in centimeter squares. So the area of square is 25 centimeter square. Now we find the perimeter of square. So perimeter of square equal to 4 into side. So here we put the value of side is 5 centimeter and 4 5s are 20 centimeter. So perimeter of square is 20 centimeter. So here we find area and perimeter. So area of square is 25 centimeter square. So here the perimeter of square is 20 centimeter. The next example, the side of a square is 2.5 meter. Find its area and perimeter. So here the value of side is 2.5 meter. So first we find area of square, and area of square equal to side multiplied by side. So here the value of side 2.5 meter multiplied by 2.5 meter, and when you multiply 2.5 with 2.5 we get 6.25, and here we write units in meter square, so we write in square. So the area of square is 6.25 meter square. Now we find perimeter of square. So the formula of perimeter square is 4 into side. Now I put the value of side 4 into 2.5 meter. So when you multiply 4 into 2.5 we get 10 meter. So the perimeter of square is 10 meter. Dear students, in this exercise I give some questions related to area of rectangle and area of square. So you will do all these questions in your homework. Thank you students.